house are dimming, prepared for the beginning. Skylander, come and take your seat. Oh, the voice is hushing as the curtain's climbing. Now your eyes are fixed on me. Run to your marks, my pretties, and to your place, my puppets. Paint on your grins, no time to frown. I have arrived to claim more than my share of fame for one night only in your town.
Make you laugh, and then she'll make you cry. Twist and tangle in her power, all her enemies will cower. Stand in trance as her fingers dance. Captivated when she sings, Mesmeralda pulls her strings. Mesmeralda pulls her strings. Get in line, stay in time. Chaos called, it's time to shine. The puppet stands in her trance.
You never really had a chance. I'm the one who pulls your strings.
Mesmeralda.
Nobody muscles their way onto my stage. Puppet chorus, show them how we deal with upstaging Skylanders.
The perfect swarm. Light core.
The show stops for nobody. Find a spot and stay out of the way, or we'll run you down. Take a break. No, I'm not wearing makeup!
Buzz off!
Thank you. Please hold your applause till the end. There's still a lot of show to go with scads of surprises in store. Please stay in your seats and don't touch anything. Ever wonder what we do with performers who bomb on stage? I make them ushers. Clear the theater, boys. And you, man, no, it's too bright.
I'm in sync.
Nice moves out there, Skylander. I think you've got star potential after all. One and two. Keep moving or you will get hurt. You might be an amazing talent, but no one upstages me at my own show. La 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 la. That's the lights!
Buzz off!
You're in for a special treat, Skylander. Many have tried to reach the third act, but have all been swept away by my performance. Let's see if you've got what it takes. On with the show. Wow, such amazing talent. I think you're ready to put it all together. Call out the spinning dancers. Now, step, kick, leap, kick, touch, and smash. Keep up with the others, or you'll get cut from this show. Don't touch the lights. I'm not ready for my close-up. Try, and I can't see.
Buzz off!
Ladies, gentlemen, and creatures of all shapes and sizes, we have reached the moment you've all been waiting for. I'd like to thank myself for such an incredible performance. But now, hold on to your hats. You ain't seen nothing yet. Time for the grand finale. Can you keep up with my dancing puppet, Skylander? Well, you better if you want to live through this show. You think you're ready for the big